Hello friends, welcome to my channel Atanu Khatua. Today I am discussing our IPL third match and today I am covering RCB versus the Sunrisers Hyderabad. First of all, I covered all the stats from the RCB and here we all know that RCB captain is Virat Kohli is the Indian team captain, also many fans from Virat Kohli. So today I am discussing one by one. After consecutive two losses, we have to win some. So today I am one thing I clear to all. I am today I giving two teams. One team for small league head to head and I think three members leagues and one team for mini GL. So I am thinking about all losses and everything. So I am making one safe team and one risky team. So I think it will help us with. So first of all, coming to Virat Kohli, is the King Kohli. So he played last year. He played 14 matches and sorry, last year he played 14 matches and scored 464 runs with a 100 highest score and 141 strike rate. Obviously, a talented batsman and obviously a captain of India team. So he's a King Kohli. So no, we all know about him, but we have some point about him. So in my special tips section, then Moeen Ali is an excellent batsman with the all-rounders, with his bowling also. But RCB makes some mistake to use Moeen Ali. If they use Moeen Ali in opening, then he is excellent so far. So because we all know English T20 plus Moeen Ali how much effective in opening with his batting and bowling both. Then coming to Yuji Chahal. Yuji Chahal is excellent so far. Is the main bowler of this team. He when captain needed wicket, he comes and he easily get dismissed and give captain wicket. So in 14 match, he get 18 wicket with a 7.82 economy. Then coming to young talented player Pavan Deshpande. Pavan Deshpande obviously excellent batsman. See, we play here I gathered the T20s record. So he played 20 matches and scored 426 and with a 63 highest score and 149 strike rate. Then coming to ABD, Mr. 360. We all love to play with his cricket and we are all eagerly to waiting for him to see. He played 13 matches and scored 440 12 runs with a high 82 high score and in 154 strike rate. Then coming to Shivam Dube is also young talented player. Last year he played only 4 matches and scored 40 runs with a 24 highest score in the 121 strike rate. Aaron Finch last one not playing, but we all know about Aaron Finch. Just recent he played in England Australia series and obviously he's a good form. So uh, I think he is available for today's match. Now coming to the GS Man, Gurkeet Singh Man. Gurkeet Singh Man is excellent. Last match he played only 3 matches. In one match he scored 65. He played then must you try in your team. He's an excellent young talented player with a 140 strike rate. Then coming to Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj not much effective, but he's a experience. He's getting some giving some run, but he get wicket. He played last year played 9 matches and got 7 wicket with a 9.55 economy. Not good. Then coming to Chris Morris. Chris Morris excellent death bowler. Excellent bowler. This last year he played from the Delhi Capitals. Now he play coming to RCB. I think hope all as RCB main problem with the death bowler. I think Chris Morris will solve this problem. Then coming to Pawan Navi last year played 7 matches and got 3 wicket with a 9.13 economy. Devdutt Padikkal is an excellent batsman, young talented. I hope he can. If I think if he play, he will come to open. So I think either Devdutt Padikkal or Parthiv Patel will open. Parthiv Patel is a slow run scorer. So team will thinking about him. If Devdutt Padikkal play, then he will come to open and ABD will be keeping. So you have to think about him. I think Devdutt Padikkal can get chances. He's an excellent young talent. He played 12 matches and scored 580 runs and 122 not out high score with a 175 star grade in T20s. Obviously, excellent record and excellent young talented player. You must try him. If play, then must take you in small league team. Okay. Now coming to Parthiv Patel. Parthiv Patel last year played 14 matches and scored 373 runs with a 67 high score 139 strike rate. Him now coming to Joseph Philip. Joseph Philip, those who are following Big Bash League, they also know about Joseph Philip. Also a good batsman, but I think he not get chance today. So if I gathered his T20s record, He played 32 matches with a 798 runs and 86 high score with a 130 strike rate. Then coming to Shahbaz Ahmed. Ahmed also an excellent young talented bowler or the late-term orthodox bowler. So obviously I think he can also get chance in his team. He played 16 matches and got 15 wickets. He has his T20 record, but his economy is 6.37. Excellent economy. So, excellent young talent, excellent economy. Then coming to Navadip Saini. According to the page, Navadip Saini is so much effective. Yes, yesterday we also see Mohammad Sami Rawada, Nokia. So all is bound. Total pitch is bouncy pitch. So obviously Navadip Saini is so much effective today. Then coming to Dale Steyn. Dale Steyn last year just played 2 matches from RCB and got 4 wickets with a 8.62 economy. And then he get injured. I think if he play, then must was to see the battle between battle between Barristo and Dale Steyn. I think if Dale Steyn play, then Barristo will be can easily out earlier. So we have to see Isuru Udana. Isuru Udana also a good death bowler. He also have the potential to which bat. And he excellent run getting in a death in a last. So obviously must if play, then must you can try him 1 and 2 in Grand League team. He played 30 matches with a 230 runs and 84 high score, 144 strike rate. He also have 24 wickets and 8.6. I think not get chance today. Washington Sundar, he played last year 3 matches and got 4 wickets with 8.22. But one thing I have to clear about it, Washington Sundar, he has a good record against Sunrisers Hyderabad. So obviously you can mind it. I can have some point in my special tip section. Now coming to Umesh Yadav. According to the pitch, Umesh Yadav is so much effective and obviously a good bowler from Indian team. You all know. And Umesh Yadav can tonk the ball any moment, and last when he come, then he can tonk the ball very high. Or many times we can see him to score 6. Then coming to Adam Jumper. Adam Jumper also leg spinner. He played 30 matches and got 36 wickets. He has gathered on the T20 international T20 record with a 6.56. But I think he not chance today because UG Chahal is there as a leg spinner. So I think he not get chance. I think so. Here I covered all the stats from the RCB one by one. You can go through this. You can also screenshot from here. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and also and after subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. So now coming to the Sunrisers Hyderabad stat. So last year Sunrisers Hyderabad was missing David Warner, and this time David Warner is come already here and he is ready to play the match. Last day press conference he also say about how much he is excited. So David Warner last year he played 12 matches and scored 692 runs, 3 times orange cap champion. So obviously he's a good. Know what to say about David Warner. So he 100 not out high score against RCB. So obviously keep in your mind with a 143 strike rate. So obviously a good, excellent batsman. I think Kane Williamson and David Warner both not playing together. If play, then you must in your team. Okay. Kane Williamson also scored 9 matches. In 9 matches, he scored 157 run with a 70 not out strike rate. This 70 also he scored against RCB. So obviously, he both play, then both must in your team. And when you making it, there is lots of credit issue. If you going to take Kane Williamson, David Warner, then ABD and Kohli, then all are in 10.5. So you have to make some sacrifice. Otherwise you have to make some bowler sacrifice. So now I coming to Abdul Samed, young talented player, but he's in 11 matches he scored 240 runs with a 76 not out high score and 136 strike rate. Abhishek Sharma last year he played 3 matches and got 1 wicket at 10.5 wicket. No, so bad. Now coming to Khalid Ahmed. Khalid Ahmed is an excellent bowler with a left arm pressure. I must see you to watch out against Kohli and ABD. He can excellent against both of them. I have 2 to 3 points against Virat Kohli and ABD with that. I will with Khalid Ahmed. So I discuss about Khalid Ahmed in my special tip section. Fabian Allen. Fabian Allen can get a chance. He's a left arm orthodox, and he can also give the potential to the his bat. So practice match he will be playing, and he got wicket also. So we have to see he is playing or not. So now coming to Johnny Bairstow. Johnny Bairstow, he played 10 matches and scored 545 runs with a 140 highest score. I also one thing say about Johnny Bairstow in 140 highest 14 highest score he scored against RCB. So all the three run getting, so David Warner, Kane Williamson and Bairstow both highest score against RCB. So obviously you have to keep in your mind. Then coming to Vishal Thampi not much after last year he played 3 matches and get wicketless. Priyam Garg also a young talented player. He played 11 matches with a 227 runs, 59 not out high score and 132 strike rate. Then coming to Srivastav Goswami, he played 90 gathered. These are also T20s record. In bracket I written T20, so you don't miss it. He played 96 matches and scored 2,131 runs with 86 not out high score and a 116 strike rate. Then coming to Siddharth Kaur, last year he played 7 matches and got 7 wickets with a 8.96 economy. Then coming to Bhuvi, according to the pitch, Bhuvi is must in your team and he's excellent. But when you going to take, you have to keep in your mind, if you going to take all the best batsmen, then you have to sacrifice Bhuvi, Rashid Khan. So this up to you, whom you taking, batsman or bowler. So now I'm coming to Mitchell Marsh. Mitchell Marsh in first time in IPL. You all know about Mitchell Marsh. He played in must in your team. Mohammad Nabi is excellent so far. He's coming to lower order in the batting and he can tonk the ball very high. So obviously he's a good batsman and also he's bowling. I have some word against Mohammad. I have some words from Mohammad Nabi against Kohli. Sorry, against ABD. Then coming to Shahbaz Nadim last year played 3 matches and get 2 wickets with a 10-point economy. Then coming to T Natarajan also a young talented player. We all who follow Tamil Nadu Premier League, then you all know about T Natarajan. He played 22 matches and get 19 wickets with a 7.07 economy. Manish Pandey, if batting fast, then you can must try in Manish Pandey. Either Kane Williamson not play, then also you can try Manish Pandey. So Manish Pandey is an excellent batsman. He's fast. He build up his innings, then he scored very fast. So obviously you can try him. Rashid Khan. I have lots of word about Rashid Khan in my special tip section. How much he effective in UAE pitch. So obviously I have discussed one by one. He last year played 15 matches and got 17 wickets and he is a magician. So he with a 7.28 economy. Ridhiman Shah last year played 5 matches and scored 86 runs and with a 28 high score and 162 strike. Then coming to Bhabankar Shandip is a young talented player. He played 38 matches and scored 734 run and with a 74 not out high score and 126 high strike rate. Also he gets 7 wickets with a 7.12 economy. Then coming to Sandeep Sharma also a young. Sandeep Sharma also a good experience with Sunrisers Hyderabad. He last year he played 11 matches and got 12 wickets and 8.25. I have some word about Sandeep Sharma against Kohli. So I have some word Sandeep Sharma against Kohli and I have and Nobi against ABD. So obviously we have some battle here. Now coming to Sanjay Yadav also a good all-rounder. He played 17 matches and scored 359 runs with a 55 highest score with a 125 strike rate. He got 8 wickets also. Vijay Shankar also must can. He have the potential to give you point both bat and ball. Now coming to Billy Stanley last not played last year, but one thing I have to say, if Billy Stanley play, then must try on team. He is so high in his height and the pitch is bouncy pitch. So obviously must in your team. Okay. Then coming to Virat Singh, he played, then you can try him. He's a young talented player. He played 56 matches and scored 1,552 runs with 81 high score and 121 strike. Obviously, a good scorer. So here I covered all the player one by one. You can go through this. You can also screenshot it. In Grand League, it's help you more. So those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and also after subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Now I coming to the my special tips section and probable 11 one by one. So match number third, Sunrise has was RCB. So this match also in Dubai. So pitch. Yesterday we saw all the pitch. We saw the pitch and I follow full game. So there will be some grasses in the pitch. Yeah, and pressure will get more help and also so pressure and good bounce in the pitch. So obviously pressure get more help and good bounce. And we can see Mohammad Sami, Rabada and Nokia. So excellent bowling so far. So I can here to expect from same Bhuvi, then Navadip Saini and Billy Stanley. If play then, okay. Also Umesh Yadav. These four can get excellent today. So obviously please follow my word. Now coming to Pro 11. Pro 11. First I covered Sunrise Hyderabad, David Warner, Barristo coming to the open. Then one down Manish Pandey. If Kane Williamson play, then obviously he come to one down. So if team needed a ball extra batsman, then they drop Mohammad Nami and take Kane Williamson. If team going with one extra bowler, then they take Mohammad Nami. Simple logic. Then coming to Vijay Shankar. Then coming to Virat. I think Virat Singh will get some chances. Then coming to Mohammad Nabi or Williamson. As I said, team want extra bowler, then come with Nabi. Team want extra batsman, then come with Williamson. If Williamson plays, then must in your team. Okay. Then Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan is a magician. No word for him. Abdul Samid, young content player. I think hope he can chance. Bhuvi, Khalil and Sandeep Sharma. One thing I miss one name for this pitch is Khalil also. Khalil also excellent record so far. Then coming to RCB Pro 11, Aaron Finch, Padikkal or Parthiv Patel. I think Padikkal gets some chance. He's an excellent record, excellent T20s record. But one thing I can clear to all, in the both matches we can see the opener will easily flop. So we have tried to drop some openers also. Now coming to Virat Kohli and ABD, no words for both them. They're excellent. Then Moeen Ali, I think Shubham Dube, Morris, Washington Sundar, Umesh Yadav, Navdeep Saini and UG. So this will be the probable 11 from RCB side. Now I coming to special tips section one by one. So first, Warner. Warner is the wall of this team. Seriously, Warner is the wall of this team. He has the he making the Sunrisers Hyderabad win as a champion in IPL. So obviously he is a excellent so far and he's a excellent record. He's a 3-time Orange Cap champion. So obviously must try him captain vice captain also. Then Barristo also a very good record against RCB. So Barristo also good record. In that match I think Barristo scored 114 and I think Warner scored 100. Not out. If Parthiv Patel play, then easily dismissed by Nobi. I think if Parthiv Patel play, if Parthiv Patel play, then can easily dismissed by Mohammad Nabi. I think so. Then coming to the just a minute. Then coming to the Kohli and ABD. So I have some point against Kohli and ABD. You have to understand both the point clearly. Okay. Both Kohli and ABD struggle against leg spinner. So both Kohli and ABD struggle against leg spinner. So here the leg spinner will be whom? It's Rashid Khan. So obviously you have to understand they both struggle against leg spinner and there will be Rashid Khan. And Rashid Khan has a very good economy in UAE with a 5.6. So you have to understand this battle. Rashid Khan is very good economy, just 5.6. So think about this, excellent economy. And one thing also, Khalid. I Khalid Khalid can also good record against Kohli. He dismissed Kohli many times. So Khalid Khalid also very good record. So obviously you have to keep in your mind about if you going to Grand League, then you can drop whom and or not. If you dropping Kohli, then you take Khalid Ahmed, Rashid Khan. You have going to drop ABD, then you can take that's up to you. So obviously you have to understand this battle. And Khalid has excellent record against Kohli. Then coming to the Bhuvi and Saini. According to the pitch, Bhuvi and Saini will get more help. Seriously, according to me, at this pitch, Bhuvi and Navadip Saini both get extra bounce, and that will help to get them wicket. So obviously you can must keep in your mind. Then coming to Sundar. Sundar also a X factor for this match. Why Sundar is X factor for this match? RCB win one match against Sunrise Hyderabad, and that match Washington get 4 wickets. So obviously if Washington Sundar can get help to get wickets, so obviously must keep in your mind. But that match Warner will not play. But if Warner play, then they must reach Washington Sundar against them or Moeen Ali against them. So why left arm batsman can struggle against off spinner? So here with the here will the off spinner will be Washington Sundar, Moeen Ali. So I think Kohli will use either Moeen Ali or Washington Sundar in the power play. I think. Then coming to Dale Steyn. Dale Steyn is have to I have to see about him. Dale Steyn, he back from injury, and when he back from injury, so excellent bowling and excellent performance. Then he again injured, and again he back. So obviously we have to see him. How is he has excellent record against Barristo with his lower full toss. So excellent record. So you have to keep in your mind. Yeah, if Dale Steyn play, then he can easily dismiss Barristo. I think so. With his lower and also he means that with his lower full toss. So you can follow this. Morris also a good record in death over. Yeah, Morris, seriously, Morris a good, very good record. RCB struggled for his death over bowler, and this time they bought Morris. So obviously, I think this time they are packed up. So obviously a good ball. Now coming to Nabi. Nabi also a very good record against RCB. Nabi also get a good record. I think that match he got 4 wickets. So obviously Nabi and against RCB is very good record, and also against ABD. So obviously keep in your mind. Fabian Allen, he played in player to watch out. He played practice match. He's a left arm orthodox, and left arm orthodox is very strong. Left arm orthodox because right hand batsmen struggle against left arm orthodox, and in RCB many I think many batsmen from right hand batsmen. So obviously if they try Fabian Allen, then I think they drop Mohammad Nabi. So obviously this up to them. So obviously we can get our lineup and we can go out with them. So this is the point. So obviously I think if Fabian Allen play, then Mohammad Nabi will be dropped. So now coming to Moeen Ali. Moeen Ali is player to watch out, and he is an excellent batsman. I think RC will use wrong with Moeen Ali. They use him as a finisher. No, I think you use him as a opener. He is excellent in T20 plus, English T20 plus. He is excellent so far, and he very often if he play 5 matches and score 100 in 4 matches, so he has a good potential. So I think if they use in opening, then he can excellent. So I think if they use Moeen Ali and Aaron Finch in opening, then he is excellent. But I think these are the ups to them. So now coming to default pick and defensive. Default pick, I think Kohli, Warner, Finch, ABD, Barristo, Rashid, Bhuvi, Khalid. No need to change in a small league team. And if Ken Williamson, I not included Ken Williamson, as I think if team play both Williamson and Warner, then you have to take both. And these three, Barristo, Williamson, and Barristo, Williamson, and Warner both has the highest run scorer against RCB. If you drop anyone, and if anyone can score and your opponent come with, then you can lose easily. So obviously think about this. Now coming to defense a bit. Deep particle. Deep particle is if play. Particle if play, then you must try him. He's an excellent young talented batsman. You can see from very fast match played Raidu. Very next match play Mayank Agarwal. So I think the particle can play a big role today also if play. So obviously keep in mind. Then coming to Moeen Ali, I told all about Moeen Ali. So obviously must you can try him. But I think he also he also bowling some over. Why? Because when Warner will be so I think he will bowl some over. Fabian Allen, I told about Fabian Allen. I think team will if they drop Nobi, then they try Fabian. Fabian Allen also good in this batting also. Then coming to Dale Steyn, Khalid, and Sandeep Sharma. So I covered all default and differential pick. So I covered all the tips, and now I coming to the Dream 11 to make us our team. So I coming to Dream 11 with a wicket keeper section. Here your choice will be Barrister or Patil. Parthiv Patel and Riddhiman Shah. You can also go with Riddhiman Shah. I think Riddhiman Shah also playing. So here the best choice will be good for Barrister. Barrister, we all know about Barrister and it's an excellent so far. So now I coming to one thing. You all best batsmen you have to take. Then Kohli, De Villiers, Finch, Warner, Williamson. If Williamson play, then you can go with Williamson. If not play, then Manish Pandey. Simple logic. Then you're going to also, if not play, you are going with Manish Pandey. So I taking best 5. So here the team will be that. Okay. Others choice will be Manish Pandey, Deep Particle. I told about Particle, you must try him in Grand League. I taking best 5. No issue. I drop no one. Now coming to all rounder sense. If you're going to take Nobi Morris, then only 23 points left. You have to take 3 bowlers. So you can't take. Then you have to drop Nobi Morris both. If you're going to take Moeen Ali, then you can easily take. Okay. And you do take Shankar, then you can take easily. Then you have left 24 points. You have to take 3 8 credit bowlers. So then also if I coming to my bowling season, then also you can't take Chahal, Rashid Khan. Then I left 5.5 credit. So there will be lots of credit in today's match to making us your team. So you have to consider anyone to drop, but you can't know who will be flop today. So I taking both. If you going to take I think I will consider in a bowling season. So I think if you going with Moeen Ali or Washington Sundar, my choice will be Moeen Ali. Now coming to bowling section, I think in bowling Khalid Ahmed is 8 credit and expensive bowler. I think he will play. Sandeep Sharma, you can take him, and you can go with Mohammad Siraj. I think I go with Billy Stanley. If Billy Stanley play, then obviously must in your team. Hyderabad team always strong with his bowling. I think if Dale Steyn play, then I get a chance to drop Barristo. Because he's a excellent record against Barristo. So then I take some risks and I go. But if we are consecutive 2 losses in a straight, so I don't take any risks. I give you a safe team with the team 1, and I take if I want to take risks, then I give you team 2 with the risky team. Here, captain vice captain was very default. All go with Kohli. You can go also with Kohli. I think my captain choice will be Kohli, and the vice captain choice will be you can go with either David Warner or Barristo, De Villiers, Finch, and Warner. Anyone you can go with captain choice. So I think I go with I go with David Warner. So my team will be so far this. After getting lineup, I give my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who are new in my channel, please join in my Telegram channel. Link in the description. যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তোমরা প্রচুর লাইক করো। আমি জানি পরপর দুটো ম্যাচ আমরা একটু লসে চলছি, বাট নো ম্যাটার। আজকে আমি দুটো টিম দেবো, একটা টিম সেফ টিম এবং সেটা হেড টু হেড, এবং তোমরা 3 মেম্বার্স খেলবে এবং টোটালি সেফই বানাবো। একটা থেকে দুটো ট্রাম্প কার্ড হয়তো ইউজ করবো, দরকার হলে তাও করবো না, একদম সেফ টিমই দেবো। আর আরেকটা টিম দেবো যেটা আমি মিনি জিএলের জন্য আই গিভ টু টিমস, অ্যান্ড লাস্ট 5 মিনিটে আমি টিম দিয়ে দেবো এবং আফটার লাইনের পরে আমি ফাইনাল টিম দিয়ে দেবো। ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে তোমরা অবশ্যই শেয়ার করো, এবং তোমাদের সাপোর্ট ছাড়া আমরা এগোতে পারবো না। সো দেখা হবে পরে ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং।